was like, when you rolled into it, it felt like I was floating.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So what's your name real quick and equipment? Robby? Okay.
ACV 515s on 2 salt 12Ks, 4th order, 3-to-1.
You used to have 5s.
Yeah, I used to have
I remember.
415s. I did a direct swap.
Did you gain, or how do you like the difference going from 5 to Sundown on these?
They're more efficient.
Okay.
They don't need as much power.
Correct, yep. This is a 3-inch coil, right? Are these 3-inch?
Yeah. Coil.
Yeah. Awesome. Is the back open?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Oh, wow.
I need 2 more. She won't let me. She's gonna kill me.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
I might switch to the 30K. Yeah.
30Ks?
I had one 30K, but I blew it at 0.35. But now they're at 0.7 right now. They are.
These?
No, yeah, these are at 0.7.
Wow. This is some nice amps. Thanks, Rob.
Yeah, no problem.
Wow, that was. Whew.
When are you gonna redo yours?
Wow.
For the streets and ladies screaming in the scenes.
They're not anywhere close.
It's DJ Rustical.
Oh my gosh. That's really musical, dude. It doesn't slope off anywhere, really.
It's got a 3 dB drop between after 27. Peaks at 27 right now.
Okay.
Below that, it drops off 3 dB. 2 hertz below that. 2 hertz above that, 3 dB.
Yep. That's how big ratios work, right?
It's a 3-to-1.
Yep.
I'm gonna shrink my. I've got 700 cubic inches of port right now. I need to shrink it down to about 500.
Okay.
It'll give me more bandwidth, but it won't be as loud.
Yeah. Wow.
I got one more for you. Yeah. But yeah, it peaks at 27 hertz when the window's down right now.
Okay.
So, but it rolls off on the highs.
Yeah.
Me no conversation with the fee. That part, all my bitches independent bitch. That part, I just want the flavor. That part, all my bitches flavor. That part, that part, that part, that part, that part.
into it, it felt like I was floating. You didn't roll into this. Woo. Dude, I appreciate the demo.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, man. That was crazy.
Yeah. You got the best one of the day.
I
for
appreciate
sure.
it, Ron. Holy smokes. Thank you.
Yeah.
It made me feel like I was flying.
Yeah. It's gonna be louder.
It is?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.